Daily walk check-in tayo. Iba't ibang lugar, same goal, tuloy-tuloy na galaw. Day 74 na ng Lakads Lang series. Today, naka 11,000 steps tayo in total. Lighter day. Steady movement. And today's topic, human before machine. Mas maraming ginagawa ng machines ngayon. AI writes, apps think, systems automate, and every year, technology becomes smarter. Pero kahit gaano ka-advanced ang mundo, may isang bagay na hindi kayang gawin ng machine para sa atin. Move our body. No app can replace your steps. No device can strengthen your heart. Walking reminds us na kahit modern ang mundo, we are still human first. And sometimes, the most human thing we can do is simply move. Today's 11,000 steps felt simple but important. Today's walk, captured using the Insta360 Go Ultra. Small camera, lightweight, clip and go, perfect for recording your day, while staying fully present. Day 74. Stay human. Lakads Lang.